Have you ever wondered what should be covered in your homeowner's insurance policy? Well, in this episode, I'm going to cover this topic. Welcome everyone to this episode of the AskJasonGelios show. Hey, I really appreciate you tuning in. Out of all the things you could be watching, you chose to watch this, and I really appreciate that. If you haven't done this though, go ahead and follow me on social media. Those links are in the description, and I invite you to visit my website. It's allabouttherealestate.com. Fill out the pop-up that pops up, and you can receive this episode and other valuable information spam-free in your email once a week. So I really appreciate you guys tuning in here. So I put together a little list here about some of the things that should be covered in your homeowner's insurance policy. Now, I have a disclaimer when I'm talking about something like insurance, and that you should always consult with your own insurance agent, or maybe even shop around, ask different agents, but find a reputable one or go through the one that you are going through right now and just kind of ask them, hey, what should my homeowner's insurance policy cover? Especially if you're looking to purchase a new home, you want to ask them what it will cover and how that price compares to maybe a more beefed up policy, okay? But here's some of the basics. So at minimum, homeowner's insurance usually covers things like fire or lightning, windstorms or hail, explosions. Scary thought, but could happen. Something happens in the home, especially if you have gas going to the home. Most homes do. Aircraft, if an airplane, any form of aircraft, UFO, which that's a whole nother topic, right? If that crashes into your home, your homeowner's insurance policy should cover it, the damage. Vehicles, many times vehicles, although you would have your own separate policy. However, if something happens in the home, let's say a garage fire, and it takes out your cars, that may fall under your homeowners and not your auto insurance. I would actually, if you know, if that is true, that should be true, but if it is true, go ahead and share that thought in the comment. Okay, smoke, something happens in the home, smoke, damage, things like that. Theft or vandalism. This one, I would say, make sure that the insurance agent knows the bulk of the expensive items that you have in your home. If you upgrade your TV, which TVs are cheap these days, but if you upgrade your 40-inch TV to an 80-inch, you might want to let your insurance agent know. Falling objects, something falls from the sky or from an airplane and hits your house. The weight of ice, snow, or sleet. This one does happen where you have snow up on the roof, and then let's say it damages part of the gutter because it's too heavy, or there's actually a term for that, but basically just any damage from the outside, the weight of the snow, ice building up on the roofs, things like that. That would be a very bad winter, actually. And then freezing of a plumbing, heating, air conditioning, or any other line that's used in a household system, okay? So like furnace, again, AC, things like that. Even your general water pipe that goes out to your faucet, your spigot outside for the yard. If that freezes and causes damage to the pipes, that should be covered. So pretty interesting. If you can think of anything else, or even if you're an insurance professional, go ahead and feel free to comment below. Otherwise, I really hope that you guys found this episode valuable. Be sure to visit my website again. It's allabouttherealestate.com, and hit me up on social media. Those links are in the description. I appreciate all of you watching, and have a great week. Thanks everyone for watching this episode of the Ask Jason Gelios show. Be sure to visit the links in the description below to pick up your copy of my real estate book, Think Like a Realtor. It's a little book about buying and selling residential real estate through the eyes of a realtor. It's real world advice, tips, whether you're a new agent in the business or you are a home buyer or even looking to sell a home. This is great advice. So I really appreciate it if you guys visit those links, pick up your copy, and go ahead and share a review, good or bad, if you like it, if you hate it, okay? But get your copy today. Thank you.